Ever thought your Apple Watch could look as elegant as your outfit? Wait till you see these. Today we're exploring the 6 best Apple Watch Series 11 floral bands of 2025, where fashion meets comfort. Welcome to my channel. Check the links below to style your wrist with beauty and personality. The number 6 product on our list is ZSMJ Floral Band. The ZSMJ Floral Band turns your Apple Watch into a stunning piece of wearable art, where elegance meets everyday style. From the moment you see its lace-inspired edges and hollow-out detailing, it feels less like a strap and more like jewelry crafted for modern femininity. What sets this design apart is its personality. With over 20 floral patterns, from timeless roses to dreamy lavender, it lets you express mood and individuality with every outfit. The butterfly buckle adds a touch of sophistication while keeping the fit secure and comfortable through long days. Compared to others in this floral lineup, ZSMJ's craftsmanship stands out for its balance of beauty and practicality. The soft, skin-friendly material feels gentle yet durable, perfect for both daily wear and special occasions. It's not just about fashion, it's about feeling confident, polished, and effortlessly unique. If you love accessories that bring life and color to your tech, this band delivers that extra charm, tested for real-world comfort and timeless appeal. Number 5 is Anyjoke Floral Band. The Anyjoke Floral Band brings a burst of sunshine to your wrist. Literally, its sunflower-engraved design, created through precision light and shadow engraving, radiates warmth, optimism, and joy with every glance. More than just a strap, it feels like a daily reminder to stay bright and confident. Crafted from premium soft silicone, it blends elegance with practicality. Lightweight, skin-friendly, and completely waterproof. Whether you're hitting the gym, attending meetings, or dressing up for a night out, this band stays effortlessly comfortable and beautifully in place. Compared to others in this floral lineup, Anyjoke stands out for its crisp engraving detail and unique personality. It's cheerful yet classy, vibrant yet refined. The adjustable bow buckle adds a charming touch, making it easy to fit wrists of all sizes without compromising comfort. It's not just a stylish accessory, it's a mood lifter designed for real-world wear. For those who love wearable art with emotional energy and everyday reliability, this one feels like pure sunshine wrapped around your wrist. At number 4 is EOMTAM Floral Band. The EOMTAM Floral Band adds a breath of fresh air to your Apple Watch, stylish, sporty, and irresistibly feminine. Its engraved floral patterns aren't just decoration, they bring a touch of personality that transforms your smartwatch into something beautifully personal. Made from soft, skin-friendly silicone, it feels light, flexible, and breathable, perfect for everyday wear, from workouts to casual brunches. What truly stands out is its balance of comfort and charm. While some bands look pretty but feel stiff, this one stays gentle against the skin, even during long hours. Compared to others in this floral lineup, EOMTAM impresses with its refined detailing and versatility across 6 vibrant designs. The adjustable fit keeps your watch secure without feeling tight, making it ideal for active users and fashion lovers alike. It's waterproof, sweat-resistant, and easy to clean, practical yet stylish. If you're looking for a floral band that blends elegance, durability, and real-world comfort, this one delivers a refreshing mix of beauty and everyday confidence. The third one on our list is TOYOUTHS Floral Band. The TOYOUTHS Floral Band captures the perfect harmony between style and substance, a design that instantly feels like wearable art. Its embossed wildflower engravings bring a touch of timeless elegance to your wrist, making your Apple Watch look less like tech and more like a piece of jewelry. Every petal, every curve reflects fine craftsmanship and personality, giving your everyday look a refreshing twist of grace. Made from soft, breathable silicone, it's feather-light, yet impressively durable, keeping your wrist cool and comfortable all day. While others may fade or feel stiff over time, TOYOUTHS stays flexible, vibrant, and beautifully detailed even with daily use. The secure double fastener design ensures your watch stays perfectly in place, whether you're at work, at the gym, or out for a night stroll. Compared to other floral options, this one shines with artistic precision and modern femininity. For anyone who values fashion as much as comfort, this band feels like a confident statement that never goes unnoticed. And number 2 is UpfurMach Floral Band. The UpfurMach Floral Band is where art, fashion, and comfort meet in the most unexpected way. From the moment you see its lace-style hollow floral design, it's clear this isn't just another watch strap, it's a statement of personality. Every pattern tells a story, whether it's the elegance of roses, the boldness of leopard prints, or the timeless charm of paisley. Made from premium silicone, it feels soft, breathable, and perfectly balanced between elegance and everyday wearability. What sets it apart from others in this floral lineup is its confidence. It dares to blend classic beauty with a modern edge. The butterfly buckle ensures a snug, graceful fit that stays secure without pinching or slipping, making it ideal for both daily wear and special occasions. Unlike plain silicone bands, UpfurMach brings individuality to your wrist while maintaining real-world comfort and durability. For anyone who loves design that speaks louder than logos, this band transforms your Apple Watch into a true reflection of your unique style. Now moving to the last one is Witzon Floral Band. The Witzon Floral Band doesn't just accessorize your Apple Watch, it transforms it into a canvas of art and individuality. The moment you see its multi-tone silicone inlay, you realize this band is made to stand out, not blend in. Each hue flows seamlessly into the next, creating a rich, vibrant design that stays bright no matter how often you wear it. Crafted from ultra-soft, breathable silicone, it feels smooth against the skin and effortlessly light through long days, whether you're working, running errands, or dressing up for an evening out. What makes Witzon special among other floral designs is its modern artistry. It balances elegance with everyday practicality. The pin and tuck closure ensures a perfect, secure fit, while the durable build handles both workouts and daily wear with ease. Unlike many delicate bands, this one feels confident, expressive, and made for real-world use. For anyone who values comfort as much as style, this band delivers the kind of effortless charm that feels personal and unforgettable. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best Apple Watch Series 11 Floral Bands 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.